This compact YUOIOYU roll-up electronic drum set packs a surprisingly complete layout of touch-responsive pads, pedals, and controls that feel thoughtfully arranged for real practice sessions. The built-in dual speakers produce clear, punchy drum tones that are far more realistic than most toy-style kits, and the headphone option makes quiet late-night playing easy. Bluetooth connectivity, MIDI over USB, and an auxiliary input mean it doubles as a fun music tool for recording, rhythm games, and jamming along with your favorite tracks. The rechargeable battery offers many hours of cordless play on a single charge, so it works just as well on the couch or at a campsite as it does on a desk. Because the silicone pad rolls up and weighs very little, it is simple to store, toss in a backpack, or move between rooms without any hassle. With its colorful lighting effects, included sticks and pedals, and a mix of demo songs and coaching-style features, it suits both kids discovering rhythm and adults wanting a portable practice kit.